Okay, I've gotten a couple questions on what do we do if the x or the variable we're trying to find is somewhere different. So let's do an example. So I'm going to call this x instead of question mark, and we're going to set this up to find that question mark side, and we're going to use trig. So we're going to label each side. This is going to be my adjacent side. And then I don't really care about this side, so I'm actually going to leave it blank. And this is going to be my hypotenuse, okay? So the trig function, the trig function that uses a and h is cosine. So if I set this up, I'm going to get cosine of my angle, 55 degrees, equals my adjacent, which is 5, and my hypotenuse, which is x. Okay, so then our job is to cross multiply, right? We want to find what x is. And here's where it starts to look different. So if I cross multiply, I get x times the cosine of 55. I'm going to put that in parentheses. And then I get 5 times 1, which is 5. Now, normally we'd just multiply and that'd be done. But again, we're trying to get x by itself, right? So the operation that's happening right here is multiplication. Even though it says cosine 55, it doesn't matter. This is like any problem or any equation we'd solve. We have to undo the multiplication. And to undo the multiplication, we divide. And remember, cosine of 55, those are linked. You can't just divide by 55 or divide by cosine. These cancel, and I'm left with x equals 5 divided by the cosine of 55. And if I get out my calculator and I do that, I get, 5 divided by the cosine of 55, and I get 8.7. Okay, and that's rounded. So that's how you do a problem if the x is in a weird spot.